Hello viewers, welcome back. Today we are going to learn CBSE Class 10th Maths, Chapter 6 Triangles. Let's see exercise 6.2, question number 9. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO divide BO equal to CO divide DO. First we need to draw the diagram. Let us consider trapezium ABCD. It is diagonal AC and BD. This is intersecting point O. Here given AB parallel to DC and diagonal AC and BD intersect at O. Now we need to prove AO divide BO equal to CO divide DO. Construction. Now we need to draw a line OE parallel to AB meeting AD at E. Draw OE parallel to AB meeting AD at E. Proof. Here let us consider triangle ABD. Here OE parallel to AB. So apply Thales theorem here. In triangle ABD, OE parallel to AB. So apply Thales theorem. AE divide DE equal to BO divide DO. So we can write the same here. AE divide DE equal to BO divide DO. Because BPT, this is consider equation number 1. Here given AB parallel to CD, our construction OE parallel to AB, so as well as OE parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD given, OE parallel to AB, construction. So OE parallel to CD. In triangle ADC, OE parallel to CD. So apply Thales theorem here. AE divide DE equal to AO divide CO. We can write the same here. AE divide DE equal to AO divide CO. Because BPT, this is consider equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, here both equation LHS equal, so as well as RHS also equal. From 1 and 2, AO divide CO equal to BO divide DO, which implies now this denominator CO becomes that side mean numerator, this numerator BO becomes that side mean denominator. So we will get AO divide BO equal to CO divide DO. Hence proved. That's all for the 9th one. Now move on to the next one. Question number 10. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO divide BO equal to CO divide DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. First we need to draw the diagram. Let us consider quadrilateral ABCD. Here diagonal AC and BD. Here intersecting point O. In quadrilateral ABCD, diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. To prove ABCD is a trapezium. Construction. Draw OE parallel to AB, meeting AD at E. We can write the same here. Draw OE parallel to AB, meeting AD at E. Proof. Let us consider triangle ABD. Here OE parallel to AB. So apply Thales theorem here. We will get AE divide DE equal to BO divide DO. We can write the same here. In triangle ABD, OE parallel to AB. So AE divide DE equal to BO divide DO by BPT. This is consider equation number 1. Here given such that AO divide BO equal to CO divide DO. So AO divide BO equal to CO divide DO. AO divide BO equal to CO divide DO because given. Now this denominator BO becomes that side mean numerator. This numerator CO becomes that side mean denominator. So we will get AO divide CO equal to BO divide DO. This is consider equation number 2 from 1 and 2. Here both equation RHS equal, so as well as LHS also equal. So we will get AO divide CO equal to AE divide DE. This is consider equation number 3. Now in triangle ADC, AO divide CO equal to AE divide DE. In triangle ADC, AO divide CO equal to AE divide DE. So by converse BPT, OE parallel to DC. From 3, by converse BPT, OE parallel to CD because converse of BPT. Now we proved OE parallel to CD. Our construction OE parallel to AB, so as well as AB parallel to CD. Also OE parallel to AB because construction. So AB parallel to CD. Therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. That's all for the 10th one. Now this session going to end. If you have any doubt, comment below. Subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you so much for watching.